What is the top 10 cutest dog? Top 10 cutest dog breeds. Number 1. Dalmatian. Number 2. Irish Water Spaniel. Number 3. Wire Fox Terrier. Number 4. Labrador. Number 5. Basset Hound. Number 6. Samoyed. Number 7. Jack Russell. Number 8. Rottweiler. What dog breed is the cutest? With that caveat taken care of, here are the top 20 cutest dog breeds according to the report. Number 1. Dalmatian adherence to golden ratio, 67.03%. Number 2. Irish Water Spaniel. 66.26% Irish Water Spaniel puppy. Number 3. Wire Fox Terrier. 65.53%. Number 4. Labrador. 64.67%. Number 5. Basset Hound. 64.43%. Number 6. Samoyed. 64.33%. Number 7. Jack Russell. 63.86%. Number 8. Rottweiler. 63.65%. What is the number 1 cutest dog? Cute dog number 1. Labrador Retriever. The Labrador Retriever is a super friendly and easygoing breed and an ideal family dog, which is probably why it topped the American Kennel Club's list of most popular dog breeds for the last 5 years. Why dogs are so cute? But why is this? Well, in a nutshell, dogs look cute. With their large, round heads, big eyes that face forwards, soft fur and floppy ears, dogs simply look very appealing to us. They also behave in an endearing manner, with their clumsy movements, nuzzling noses and wagging tails.